Okay. So Barb's over here working on the door, and I'm going out here to install a package that we've been waiting on for how many days now? From E-Trailer. It's upside down. E-Trailer. Woo! So what we got here is a front hitch. Okay. So this package was supposed to be here days ago. It's gonna mount to the frame there. I think we have to drill a hole over here. And I think we might have to remove this plastic piece to get it up under there, and then I think it slips under here. Alright. Let's see what we can do.
You got fold it out.
I got 3 of them in Florida. Almost bought one yesterday. Pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
It would be nice to have a jack.
Huh?
That'd be nice to have a jack, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Yes, sir. To get it right. Man, I got enough, bro.
Okay, alright. We're gonna have to take that whole thing off and the bumper and everything. What a nightmare.
Yep.
Alright, so we took some trim covers and some things off, and then we cut the fascia off of this thing, and it fits and it goes everywhere it's supposed to go, but it bolts to the frame, and it bolts. This is going to lay inside here. This carriage bolt's going to go on top of that. So it's going to be like that. That's where the other bolt's going to go. I think you got to take the bumper off. Alright. There's no way. There's no way you're gonna get. There's no way you can get that in there anywhere. Not up there. No way. No way. Huh. No hole anywhere big. It's all small. Alright, so you gotta take the bumper off. Great. Alright, let's take the bumper off. Up top. Nope. Gotta take the bumper off. Alright. So I'm looking for my socket set. Oh God. Underneath here somewhere. Oh. Jack. So I might use one of those to. Put some sockets. I don't think there's anything big in here. Alright, so it should be a 7/8. Bumper weighs 150 pounds?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful bumper.
Okay. Ready for a lunch break. You ready for a lunch break?
Whatever.
Ready on the patio. Alright, lunch break it is. Alright, we got the whole RV front end tore off. Took the bumper off. And it's gonna make everything so much easier. Easy, you don't even have to fish that. I don't know how they expected you to fish that. There's no way. There's no way. So we'll get some lunch and be back in a flash. Bolt that up, drill the other holes out, put it back together. Easy peasy. We're gonna have a hitch on the front of our RV. Woohoo! Cool. Alright, let's go get some lunch. It's a beautiful day. It's under 70 degrees. Pretty nice. Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Billy doing okay today?
Me? Yeah.
Thanks for helping. Thanks for helping me with the RV job. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Oop. I just want a sandwich. So we're gonna have lunch out on the patio. Marv gave us, got us lentil bean soup and tuna fish. Thanks, Marv.
Philly soup.
Thanks, Marv. Yeah, either one.
Well, one was less.
Yep.
It's okay.
Pretty good lunch. Yeah, pretty good lunch. All right, lunch is over. Oh, there's Jamie Wiki. So you're up there in the window. Hey, Jamie Wiki. Alright, let's get back to work. Got the whole front end tore off of the RV. Oh, good. Yeah, no bumper, tore apart. Alright. Bolts for my bumper. So it's gonna go here like that. This carriage bolt is gonna go in here. Maybe I better put it right together. Like that. Carriage bolt. Just like that. That's cool. Something down there for it to sit up. Need some height.
The biggest drill we have. Push your bolts going in there.
Lost some nuts somewhere.
Wow. Let me run now and get one.
Oh, you don't have one?
No, this is the biggest I'm showing you right now. It's the biggest we have.
Really? Have you ever tried to hold a carriage bolt with a washer and a piece of
Billy, don't get on there.
thing?
You're going
I
to
got
scratch
it, Billy.
yourself
I
out.
don't need you. Oh, don't need you. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it, but I didn't need you. No one sees any nuts?
No, I don't see any.
one.
The what?
There's one. We're only missing one.
It's probably in the tray there. Where'd you find that one? Underneath it?
Yeah. Where? I'm hunting for a nut. Like that.
Oh. Humidity, and my nose has been running ever since I got here.
Get off the COVID.
No. It's one reason why I live in Florida. It's because of my Meniere's disease. Actually, that's a good protector too for the radiator.
Yeah. They add a little more.
Back again to the.
Little more support.
Yep.
All right, so now we got to put the bumper back on. All right, you're in charge of videoing. Get a good angle. Don't just get the back of my head.
Is it on now?
You're radioing. Marv's on the camera. We're gonna test his video skills, see how he keeps it straight. I got a hurt back, but I'm lifting bumpers. So we got that cut out there. It seems to be pretty good. Maybe not. Okay, so we got the bumper back on. We got the new cross tie hitch. What's it called? Kind of hitch. Drop hitch. Freestyle hitch. Anyways, so got it on, got it all mounted, got the trim pieces back under there, all the protection, got 2 screws left. Where they go? They go somewhere. Still looking. Still looking. Somewhere on that trim. Maybe it was the little tag bracket. I don't know. Anyways, so now we got a hitch on the front of the RV so we can haul Billy's bike on the front. Into the car. Just the hole up. Okay, there's one hole. That's the one right there. Okay. So, this thing is really sloppy. This end is sloppy in now. What do you think? I think it'll be.
It's gonna work.
I think it'll be great.
No doubt about it.
Hey, on that one over, if you had a flat piece of metal under that and raise it up, it'd be level.
Are you wanting to change Marv's patent design?
Absolutely not. Judge Judy is on the line. She said no.
Oh, Lord.
So Billy wants to change Marv's patent design for the bike collar. He says, raise it up. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, that's because that thing is
This is because of the slop here.
needs to be
It's got slop in that bike rack.
It's like a seesaw, and that's because it's been up and down the Rocky Mountains.
It's been all over. Two big heavy electric bikes on it. Alright, so project, front hitch, RV, Class C, motorhome, front hitch, e-trailer with our custom design Billy Trike hauler is a wrap. Billy's Trike on the front. So what do you think? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Billy says, yay! Alright, it's a wrap. Well, you know, it's been a real busy day, and I think we need a little play. Let's go for a bike ride to the lake. Severe windstorm. I had to do a little storm chasing. But I wanted to show we tighten this baby up so nothing moves now. It's like super sturdy, but we got branches down all over the place. We had a major windstorm up here this morning. I had to run out and do storm chasing. Big storm last night. Look at this. Trees down. I mean, crazy. Big branches. Want to hit the house. I mean, look at that. We had a little mini tornado. We had hail. Anyways, I had video of it on my dash cam, me chasing storms. But never could catch up to it. So, yeah, a little bit of damage. So we'll be out here cleaning that up. But it's still raining, so I'm not gonna do that until it stops raining. Anyways, that's alright. We got the bike rack finished. It's tight now, so that's a wrap.